Are you looking for a way to earn income online? Pictory could be your answer. This powerful tool helps you create stunning videos quickly and easily. Today, we'll explore how to use Pictory to start earning. First, let's define what Pictory is. Pictory helps users transform text into engaging videos. No video editing skills are needed. It's designed for everyone, making it user-friendly and accessible. To start earning with Pictory, follow these simple steps. Begin by signing up for an account. Visit Pictory's website to create your profile. It's straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Next, explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with its features. You'll find tools for editing, video creation, and templates. Then, choose a niche or topic for your videos. Think about what interests you. This could be anything from cooking to technology. Now, gather relevant content. You can write scripts or use existing texts. Pictory allows you to paste this content directly into the platform. After that, let Pictory do its magic. The tool automatically creates a video based on your content. It selects images and clips that fit your theme. Don't forget to personalize your video. Add your branding, logos, and other elements. This makes your video unique and professional. Once your video is ready, it's time to publish. Download your video or upload it directly to platforms like YouTube. Now, let's talk about monetization. How can you earn from your videos? Consider joining affiliate programs related to your niche. Promote products and earn commissions. Additionally, you could use ads on your YouTube channel. The more views your videos get, the higher your income potential. For example, think about a cooking channel. Create videos using Pictory to showcase recipes. Share affiliate links for kitchen tools. You earn money from both views and purchases. In summary, Pictory simplifies video creation and helps you earn money. Sign up, explore, select a niche, and create engaging content. With persistence, your income can grow steadily. Are you ready to start earning? Head over to Pictory, create your account, and dive in. The journey to financial freedom begins today.